So I got this sound bar off a friend. He said the volume was just maxing out as soon as he powered it up, and he'd get these 3 flashing lights all the time, and I checked it out and that's the case as well. Bluetooth doesn't really stay connected that well. So down on this end there's the circuit board that's underneath these push buttons here, and I ended up desoldering all these little switches here. They go on these spots right here, and I've had the soundbar running for about half an hour now with Bluetooth, and I'm able to short out all the pins and go up and down with the volume no problem. So it seems like these little push buttons were the culprit. So I'm going to go online and order some. I usually order all my components from Mauser, but I also looked on AliExpress. What you need to order is 2-pin 6x6 by 4.3 millimeter switch, and it says here you can get 20 pieces for 40 cents Canadian and $1 shipping, so that's pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna get my switches in and solder them in, and hopefully that will fix it. So it's all back together now. I've confirmed these buttons are all working. I've had Bluetooth going for about an hour now, and I haven't been disconnected or had the problem with the volume. So yeah, I guess the fix is these switches. I ended up paying about $1.50 Canadian for 10 of them. Pretty easy fix, I must say. Anyways, good luck with your own soundbar, and bye for now.